Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today, very, very impressive move. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos, but I talked about that green line there being an area of support, and you can see spent the early part of the day, basically all morning long, right down around that area of support, and then got a very, very impressive movement up from that area. So that's the context right now, is a bounce off this area of support, and not just a question of, how much momentum, how much more, strength can, the price build upon, this current bounce that is underway. But before we get into all that, let's just, quickly clarify and, reiterate the areas of support. That key level right there is still around 93 cents. In fact, I'm going to actually get rid of that line down there. Not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But 93 cents, still that level of support. Ideal level of support, if I ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay above that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. So you want to keep a close eye on that. But, if the price does drop below that 200 period moving average, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because you still do have that next level down there at 92. Now for the fun stuff, what about areas of resistance? Well, the very near term, the level that has really made itself known right there at $1. So you go through the history of things, you can see $1 rejected the price. And then that is once again where this nice bounce today ran out of steam. So keep a close eye on that. If $1 can be broken, then the next key level to watch very closely is going to be right up there around $1.06. So those are going to be the next key roadblocks moving forward. But all in all, nice movement today. Very nice bounce off that level of support. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.